Okay, so say that you are trying to find something. Say that you were on some website and you found an article, but you can't get the article because they want you to either pay for it or you can only get the abstract. Um, Again, you can come and search in the Rhode State Library, or you can gather the information about that source, the author, the title, the journal that's published in the year, and all that stuff, and email the librarian. Now, here it says they're offline because, today the campus is not open, but often there is an option to contact the librarian online. And Robert and the other librarians usually get back to you pretty quickly, but they're there to help you. That's what they want to do. So, by all means, if you have a question about a source, or you're thinking, I really need a source about whatever it is, whatever your topic is, and you can't seem to locate anything, definitely ask the librarian, because that's what the librarians are there for. And they live actually for helping students locate stuff. Um, so by all means, contact them and ask them about helping you locate sources. However, I don't want you to like do no work on your own and just say, "Oh, I'm going to let the librarian get all my sources for me." The librarian will not do that. The librarian will assist you, but you also need to do, searching on your own and locate materials that, are available to you. If you want a book and it's a book from another campus, you can do what's called interlibrary loan. Okay, you can click there to find out about interlibrary loan. Read the guidelines, fill out the form. Okay, um, if you want um, a book that's it's actually a print book and you want it sent to you at our campus, and it's not this campus because we don't hold books at Cumberland County, but so that you want a book and it's at a different location, but it's still held by Roane State, first you need to make sure you actually get a library card. Okay, so get your library card, and then you can actually get that book that you want. Okay, you can request to have that book delivered to you at the campus. So you would click there and fill out that information. Right. I also want to draw your attention to some of the other resources. For instance, under Get Help, Research Help, Doing Your Research, there's lots of good info here. It tells you about, finding books, information about periodicals, that's like magazines, um, or journals, okay? Database information, how to search the databases, full text versus citation and abstracts. It talks about, what do you do if you only find a citation or an abstract but you don't have the whole article. Tells you what to do about that. Tells you information about how to deal with the internet, the information you find on the internet, which can be tricky at times. And then information about trusting your sources. I mean, we obviously know that we have to think critically about the sources we come across. We can't just, randomly pick any source and hope that it's going to be helpful to us. And then avoiding plagiarism. So there are some great resources here for you, and I do encourage you to look at that. And again, let's say that you found a journal online, you found an article that you thought was great, and you want to search and see if you can find that article in the Roane State Library. They have a link here called Find a Specific eJournal, and you can actually search for the journal by the title of it, or through a database or whatever, but you'll probably want to go with the title. Um, Enter a word and then browse. Okay, and chances are if it's there, it's going to come up. If not, you can contact the librarian about it. Also, article finder. So we have lots of different ways for you to find the sources that you need. Yeah, don't pay for an article that you find online, because chances are it's going to be in the library. If you can't find it on your own, then the librarian can help you with that. Going back to that, to the library page, main page, I'm going to click on the assignment calculator link because lots of cool information is kind of embedded in that assignment calculator. So if we pick the day, let's say we're going to start today. We finish our, I'm just picking a random date, so don't take this to heart because I just want to get in there and access the information. But let's say that our research paper is due on, I don't know, the 15th of April. Okay. I'm going to click on Create My Assignment Calculator because I want to get in here and see all these steps, and I want to see these links that are associated with those steps. This explains the difference between a topic and a thesis, how to do what's called pre-search, which is what you do before you actually research, how to create a tentative thesis, how you create an outline, a research plan, how you go about asking the librarian, okay, how to find books, how to research databases, find web sources, okay, creating research note cards, which I kind of walk you through the process for our class. I've told you how to do that, but if you look at this link, it's going to be different from what I ask you to do, okay? But you might find a little bit of overlap. But again, these cards are not the cards that I'm asking you to do. All right, organization, cohesion, all important parts of your essay. Let's see. Oh, addressing the opposition, that's helpful. Creating bibliography pages MLA style. Avoiding plagiarism, sentence structure, and then paragraph structure. And then again, going back, at this stage, proofreading and polishing and all that. That's toward the end. But yeah, so there are some great links here that you should definitely consult. I think they will be helpful to you.